Silk lined, delicate paper, tangerine rind, tulip petals on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I do have some beautiful thrift store pieces that I want to share with you. If you're a long-time subscriber, you know I love thrifting. So when I moved here, I was on the hunt to find some good thrift store. I actually found one good thrift store so far, but I also found an antique shop that has multiple booth within that shop. So I was so happy that I found that, because I didn't have that in Virginia. So I was so happy when I found that store. Now I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying my best to only buy stuff that I actually need and not what I want, you know what I'm saying? So I am happy to share these pieces with you that I recently picked up over the last couple of weeks. This is not just one-time shop, it's like over a few weeks where I picked up these items. So if you're new here, my name is Tammy. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, DIYs, and a whole bunch of more stuff relating to home. So if those are the stuff that you love to watch, I'd love for you to be a part of my channel by pressing that subscribe button down below and also pressing that notification bell so whenever time I upload, you'll be notified. So guess what? Let's get into the video to see all the goodies that I found at my thrift store and the antique shop. So let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you the items that I picked up from the antique shop first, and then I'll move on to the thrift store. So first thing first that I picked up from one of the booths at the antique shop is these 100% brass candle holders. Guys, look how beautiful these are. Oh my god, I was planning to polish these, but now I am thinking I want to leave them as is. I'm just going to clean them up. But I really think this is nice, guys. I was so happy to find the pair, like literally the size that I always wanted. So I paid $8 for both pieces. Yes, I paid $8 for these. I was so happy when I found them. I was like, you guys are coming home with me. What do you guys think? Should I polish them or just leave them as is and just clean them up and just leave them just like this, guys? These are so nice. Again, they are 100% brass. You would definitely see me styling these on my console table for my fall decor. I have some candles that I will be putting in these on my console table, guys. These are so nice. So you'll be seeing these in my next video. Love, love, love these. The second item is also a brass piece as well. This is a brass display bowl, but I just love the shape of it, guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I love it. It has two little feet at the bottom, and I love this. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but this one definitely needs some polishing, but this is 100% brass as well. I don't know what I'm planning to do. I might just leave this on a console table. I could just put a candle in there as well once I clean it up. And also I could just leave it on my coffee table as is with a candle as well. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm definitely going to be using this pretty soon. So yeah, love, love, love this. I was so happy that I found it. This one was $8. I'm telling you, I don't know if the antique shop been blessing me, because the prices that I'll be seeing, I was like, what? I had to get it. So yeah, this was $8 for this. So I was happy to find it. Guys, one of my favorite find is these 100% vintage brass utensils. Guys, look, these are vintage. Look how nice these are. Oh my god, when I saw these, I could not leave them there. I had to bring them home. Now, I don't have the utensil rack, you know, those rack that you hang up and hang your utensils or your pots on over your stove. I don't have the space, and I don't have one here, but I'll be definitely putting them in my utensils bowl as a display on my countertop, guys. These are so nice. I was so happy when I found them. These definitely need some polishing, but yeah. So if you have an antique shop, go see if you find some like this, because these were a good find for me. I was so happy that I found them, guys. The set, I think the set was $12. I think I still have the paper. Yeah, the actual set was for $12. $12 for these vintage brass utensils. I'm so happy that I found them. So this is it. You'll be seeing me styling these on my countertop on my kitchen, and I'm so happy that I found them. So those are all the brass pieces that I found at the antique shop. Moving on to some vase or crock pots that you guys may call them. The first one is a small one, which I did show you guys this already in my last video where I put all my utensils there on my countertop. It is a small vase. Love this. I was so happy when I found this. I think I paid $11 for this or something like that, but it was under $15. So I found this and I was so happy that I found it. It is 100% vintage. This was made, is it vintage? I don't think it's vintage. It was made in the US 2002. Is that vintage? Maybe 20 years, 23 years old. So I don't know. I'm assuming it's vintage. So I love this, guys. I was so happy that I found it. I am using this as my utensil holder here on my kitchen countertop, which I showed you in my last video for my fall decor. So I love this. Sometimes I don't want to see the flowers. I just turn it to the opposite side. And sometimes I'm like, I like how the flowers look, then I turn it back around. So you could play with it. So I'm so happy that I got this. Yeah. So that is the first vase that I got. And then the last item that I picked up from the antique shop is this vase, guys, or crock pot, as you guys may call these. I'm so happy that I found this, and guess how much I paid for this, guys? $25 for this. Look how beautiful this is. OMG, I'm so happy that I found this. I am so happy. If you close up, it has like a nice, like a tint of green to it as well. I am so happy when I found this is a perfect size. I will be styling this on my console table, here in my living room, guys. I was so happy. I love how it looks. I wasn't sure if it was vintage, so I asked the seller, I was like, is this a vintage piece? And she said, yes, it is. So I'm taking her word for it. So yeah, it was so, guys, I was so happy that I found it, because I wanted something this size, shape, this. I'm like, oh my God, that day the Lord was working with me. So I was happy, and I paid $25 for this, guys. $25 for this. Other places you will not get this for $25. Etsy or all those other places that sell these type of vase or jars, you will not be finding this at this price. So I was so happy that I found it. So that's all the items that I picked up, guys, from the antique shop, and I'm so happy that I found them. I hope you like them too, because I'm so excited. I'm like, I can't believe I found these pieces at the antique shop. I'm trying not to go there every week. Now, moving on to the thrift store. I picked up 2 silver tray, guys, and so I love them. I do love them. Now, I picked up this one first. I wanted to use this on my countertop for my fruit basket or fruit bowl, and I was like, I love the shape, because I've been looking on Pinterest, because again, I told you guys I've been obsessed with silver lately. So I saw a few Pinterest inspired look with your silverware with your apples and your pear, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be on the hunt to finding one, and I did find one. So I love the style and I love the shape of this, guys. I really love it. And it was under $10. I don't remember the exact price, but I'm pretty sure it was under $10. So I got this, I cleaned it up, I polished it, even though it wants some more polishing. But yeah, I got this. And then I went back a few weeks ago, or like a week ago, and I found this one, which is a bread basket tray, they call it. But I had one when I was in Virginia, and I think I gave it away. But this one was in great condition. So I bought this one, and this is one I'm currently using as my fruit basket here on my kitchen countertop, guys. This is 100% silver. Love this. I did clean it up, but it still needs some polishing, but I'll do that at a later time. But yeah, love this, guys. And this was, I think this, I paid $7 for this one, which I'm okay with because it is in great condition. So I love this. So I have these two silver pieces, guys, and I'm still looking out for a more flatter silver tray with like the designs in it. I've seen some, but I just didn't see the one that I like it. But I'm definitely be incorporating more silver here in my home. I don't know, something about silver that I'm loving, and I just love how it makes the place look soft. So the next item that I picked up from the thrift store are two glassware. So the first one is this glass candle holder that I picked up. They were brand new. I took them out the box, guys. I paid $4 for a pair of glass Simon and Design candle holders. They were brand new. They were actually, I think, $8, and that day when I went, they were on 50% off or 75%, something like that. But I had a discount on this, so I end up paying $4 for the pair for this nice crystal square glass candle holders. Where are you gonna find that for $4? Nowhere but the thrift store. So I am happy. You'll be definitely seeing these in my Christmas decor. I'll be incorporating them there, so you'll be able to see them there as well. So I'm so happy that I found these. The only thing I'm worried about is finding a size candle to fit those size shape of the circle. I'm not sure yet, but I'll be able to find something to fit this size. So that's the only thing I'm worried about, but I think I'm able to find one. But yeah, $4, I wasn't leaving this. So yeah, brand new out of the box. I was not gonna leave this. So yeah, got those. And then I found this cute little silver glass tray. It's not a tray, it's like a bowl. It's a bowl, but I'm using it as like just a small tray. I'm currently using this on my side table here on my beside my sofa. I thought I was gonna put like a candle in there, but I just let it sit right beside the vase, and it's okay with me. I love the design on the edges. Look how beautiful these are, guys. This is so nice. I love the edges, the design on there, and I just let it sit on the table. It just softens the space up, and I love that. So I paid $1.50 for this, guys. $1.50. I have one more piece that I picked up from the thrift store, and it is also a glassware as well. This is a glass ashtray. Look at the color. I was so happy when I found it, guys. I was like, yes. And this was a little bit more pricier than the others. I think this was $5, but I love this. But again, I'm pretty sure I didn't pay full price for this because I always go for the stuff that I see have discount that day. So even though it was priced as $5, I think I paid less for this. So this is it, guys. Look how beautiful this is. It needs some cleaning, I know, but look at the color. So it's an ashtray. I don't smoke, but I'll definitely be finding somehow, somewhere to style this and put this. So I think I might just leave it on my coffee table. I might just have put it on top of some coffee table books. That's what I might do. I was planning to do like a candle, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as is and just let it stay, because it's like it's giving me fall vibes. Alright guys, that is it for me. I shared with you all the items that I picked up from my thrift store and antique shop. Now, if you love this type of video, because I'll be doing more, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because you'll be seeing more of these videos here on my channel. I might bring you along with me the next time I go thrifting. How about that? So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.